such a pig. Gotta go mid. Not bombing mid.
Thought you had me. Guess not. It's a fucking mistake.
Okay.
Grow down and get a bowl cut trust? I mean, shit's already grown out, no? It's like literally cover my eyeballs.
Revealing area.
Almost had him. Almost had him, almost. Will you make a new Sagewell guide anytime soon with the new map and updates? Maybe per chance, maybe.
Still hit like 80.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
How obvious.
You still have it.
Enemy remaining.
Nice.
Double planted.
Is it Mendax? What's up, G? He's probably under or some shit. Smoking too. Oh, I'll put.
There's a op mid if you give a fuck. Well, I killed the guy mid and I got back there and I was like a second late. Like literally a second late. Like as soon as I killed him, he like shot me. It's really unfortunate.
You like hair and eyeballs? I love my hair and my eyeballs. Speaking of which, let me actually check. Let me see my barber's schedule here.
Last round in the half.
Save nothing.
For what? Wait, can't sing that, bro. Can't sing it. Type.
Boy.
Type. Yo, I just hop on to see the reaction to Liz's tweet. I haven't seen it.
Nowhere to run.
Is there a new tweet? I haven't seen.
Oh boy.
Spike planted.
Oh, they're planning.
They're getting flanked mid.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
They're probably getting flanked mid.
Oh, love that. Love.
Last player standing.
Oh shit. What's up? Kill me, bro. I love that shit. Just playing sit simulator on the back, on the bomb site here, on the spot in the mid here, actually. Sorry, the middle.
I'll tell you.
Shit, the third.
When
There's no afternoon time, only morning time. Shit, fourth maybe. Okay, we got hella times in the afternoon here.